playing Minecraft at the moment because Fortnite is kind of booty cheeks right now. Wait. What the? Ah! Oh, my head. Ow. Did you hit me? Who are you? Did you just come through that portal? Sonic! Sonic! What? I found a dog. What? Where'd you find him from? From a portal? What? Okay, listen, I was playing Minecraft and the portal just randomly opened and he popped out. You know, I'll leave you be. Guess he just doesn't like dogs. I think I'm gonna name you Meatball. I can be the only dog in here. Well, we need to stop. Wait. Come on, Meatball. You don't have to deal with this. Hello? Is this where I go to seek guidance? Welcome to Pillow World, weenie. What? Ah! Oh, hey, Junior. Listen, I need help getting rid of one of my enemies. I can help with that. $5. I don't have $5. Get out. You're no help. You can visit. That's another one. He is so cute. Wah. What is going on here? Fluffy, can I talk to you? Welcome to Pillow World. Cut the crap, JJ. Here's $10. Give me advice. Sucker, I would've... My pillow foot! Sucker, I would've sold for $8. Here's what you need to do. Just grab Meatball, if you can, and throw him out a window. I paid $10 for that. Yep. Ah! Bye! Thanks for your service. Wah. Come here, you. Tofu ball. Owie. Wait. Meatball! And done. Finally done resetting up Pillow World. Yeah. Hide him! What the? I see Meatball in there. Let me get him. Okay. Come on, Meatball. You're paying for that. Come on. Alright, I reset up the door. What? This is your fault. What do you mean it's my fault? You told me to throw Meatball out the window, and that's what I tried to do. Not my fault Junior chased after you. $10. Let me go get it. I have your $10. Happy? Yes, sir. I am very happy with my $10. I hate you. Where's Weenie? It didn't work. Well, maybe you're just not as cute as Meatball. You don't know that. Well, he does have a collar for some reason. He's light gray. I'm not tan. Oh God, he's adorable. I'm not joining him. I'm getting my revenge. Weenie, don't do that. Hey, Meatball, what's your social security number? I see you. You're not slick. Credit card number? Advice, please. Send him back to where he came from. The Minecraft realm. How do I do that? The same way he came in. The portal. Thanks, JJ. Oh, yeah. See ya. Alright, I'm gonna make Pillow World stronger so no one can break it down like this. Wah. Guys, Weenie's trying to get rid of Meatball and I'm scared for his sake. Don't worry, they'll get along eventually. Wah. I guess I'll trust you, Sonic. 3 digits on the back? Stop trying to get his credit card number. Ow. Junior. Whoa, what happened here? Oh, I updated Pillow World to make it stronger, so you can't break it down. You mean like this? No. Oh. What do you mean then? Destroy it. That's what break it down means. Oh, okay. What are you here for? Well, your plan didn't work. $10? How about for 5? I guess I'll play Fortnite to get over the day. What are you doing here? Ow. You want to play Fortnite with me? I guess we can play duos. Ow. Alright, ready up. Wow, that was a fast victory royale. You're really good. I'm sorry. You couldn't think of an ending, could you? Nope.
Hey, do you see this? I bet you do. Just a reminder to subscribe. Now I'm gonna go backflip into a volcano.